Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Last week we started the topic on how to use the stop loss and take profits to trade whenever we are trading, okay? And this has been giving amazing results, and I'm really happy about that, because you guys, it shows that you guys are actually learning from this channel and you guys are putting it into use. Of course, we will continue from there today because I still have a few things to touch before I bring the topic to an end, okay? So but before we go fully into that, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can milk the market successfully for a very long time, okay? And of course, if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to join the Telegram channel, because we usually have some trading activities going on the Telegram channel, and it's always amazing when we have you right there, so that you can also make money alongside with the rest of us, okay? We will be going straight into what we have right here, but quickly, before I go fully into it, in case you are just joining us for the first time and you are watching, I will always advise you to watch my trading strategy, learn from my training videos, make sure you understand the trading strategies, and apply them first on your demo account to try them out and see if and see how you can perfect your trading skill first before you can try them out on your real account. This is very important, okay? Because I don't want you to lose your money. When you have the right knowledge and you have the right trading tools, then definitely you will be making money just like the rest of us, okay? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said, we started looking at how we can use stop loss and take profits to milk the market successfully. And of course, so many people have been putting this into use. And in case you are just hearing about this training session for the first time, you can go back to the channel and search for that topic. You're going to see the part 1, part 2, part 3. You're going to see them right there, and of course you're going to watch them so that you can follow up with the series, okay, so that you will understand how it works. Like I have always been telling you, okay, it is always important you know how you understand the assets, you have a good knowledge of the assets you are trading, the market you are trading, and of course you are also know what you want to do with it, okay? So that is very important. Most especially, you should know the best trend to trade whatever assets you want to trade in order for you to achieve your results, okay? Once all these are put into place, then it will be very easy for you to apply your stop loss and take profit, okay? So all these are very important for you to put into place before you start using stop loss and take profit, because it is when you are making profits that you will know that you want to reduce a loss, or probably you want to take some profits, okay, out of it. So quickly, this time around we will be focusing on the stop loss, because it is also another vital instrument. It is not only meant for losing loss alone, it is meant for losing part of your profit also. Right here, in case you don't know, you can use it to reduce the profit you can lose, okay? Because there are some times that the market will have a sharp turn, a total reversal in price action. For instance, let me use this as an example. Let's say you came in right here, and of course you've made a lot of profits. The market has got into this region and you are no longer online, okay? Probably you are no longer online. You can see you didn't know that it would get to this stop loss quickly, and it came to this stop loss, started pulling back, okay? It started pulling back and pulling back. If you are not online, do you know that it can take you back into loss? Okay, check it out. This is where it all stopped, okay? It can take you back into loss. And let's say if you come in on time and it has gotten to this region, check it out, you will have lost out from here to here, from this region to this region. Okay, this was a total reversal in price action, probably due to one reason or the other. It came in very early, and of course, if you came in on time and you met the market, okay, probably let's stop at the last spike. Okay, you met the market somewhere here. You can see your trade that got into this region already. This will have given you more profit. Now you left it for a while and it has returned back to this region, and at this stage you only need to close your profit between here and here. And of course, this is going to I mean, you're going to feel bad about this because you've made a lot of profit before, but you were not there to put it in control. Okay, now let us now apply the same strategy right here. Let's say this is your entry point. Okay, you know, we already have our entry point arrow here. This is your entry point, and of course we already know that the market is selling. I mean, we'll be selling because of the red flag. It has given us the trend of the market already, and of course you started selling and the market picked up right from there. And let me change the color of this to white. Okay, it's picked up right from here. Okay, and it started going down, got to this region, pull back up again. Remember, this is 5 minutes trade. Okay, I mean 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and it has got into this region, guys. It has got into this region. This is beautiful. Okay, all you just need to do is for you to introduce your stop loss in between, even if you are not in the market. Okay, you already secured the profit between here and here. Okay, so definitely it's got here, pull back a bit, didn't get to your stop loss, went down again, it has gotten down again. Okay, at this stage you can always adjust your stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, it kept on going down, went up, came down, went up, came down. At this stage you can always adjust your stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, you can see you are giving it a close marking. Okay, you are giving it a close marking, and at the same time you are giving it enough space to play around. Okay, you are giving it enough space for the price action to play around, so it can play around here. So far it didn't get to your stop loss, and if it gets to your stop loss, it's going to close your trade for you. You won't lose much profit, and of course you will be making, I mean, you will be taking away out of the market with the rest of the profits. Okay, so that is one beautiful thing about it. But since it didn't get there, it kept on going down, then you adjust this a bit again. Okay, now you have more profit to yourself. Okay, sometimes you even use it in this form. Let's say you came in right here, and probably you already know that the markets will get to this region. Okay, this particular region, let's say you already know that the market will get to this region. Okay, and the market got there, and when you check the higher time frame, you notice that the market is still going down. Okay, it's still going down. So what you just need to do, okay, let's say the market has got into this region, and when you check the higher time frame, you notice that the market is still going down. All you just need to do is to introduce the stop loss and put it somewhere here. Okay, so in case it wants to go back, okay, you can see it tried to go back but didn't get there, and it came down again. Okay, so you just use it to hold up that stage in case it turns around. But if it does not turn around, it kept on going down, you are making more profit. All you just need to do whenever you come online again is to adjust your stop loss again to somewhere close in order to increase the profit margin you are locking up for yourself. It is as beautiful as that, and this has finally gotten, when it gets to this support zone, all you just need to do is just to close your trade, because you have the full profit to yourself. Okay, this is another major support zone. Okay, and if you do not close it, you can just adjust the stop loss to somewhere here, and you can see it's got to your stop loss. It will only push your stop loss backward a bit to this region, and of course the rest will be in profit for you. So that is one beautiful thing about this. That is how you can use your stop loss and take profit to milk the market successfully. I usually use this most of the time, most especially when I notice that the market might be breaking some support zone for a very long time or resistance zone for a very long time, depending on the asset I am trading. And of course, I have checked the higher time frame, but I need to be sure because anything can happen. So once it has gotten to a reasonable place, I apply my stop loss in order for me to milk more of to milk more of the market, okay, because I want to trail the market to the very last, but I am at that stage, I am not very sure what can happen and I don't want to lose part of my profits, okay. So that is it. So I keep on trailing it till it gets to my stop loss. When it gets to my stop loss, it will take me out of the market with the rest of the profit. This is as easy as this, okay. So you too can go through it. You can apply the same strategy. All you just need to do is just to understand how it works, practice it and perfect it. Once you are able to do this, then the rest is easy for you to do. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.